Hi everyone, it's your lovely Lotus Blossom Lizzie, and today I'm just going to give you kind of a visual walkthrough of some journals that will be popping into the Etsy shop. As a matter of fact, if you head over to pleasantcreations.com, you'll be able to see these beautiful journals over in the shop. Now, I wanted to just do a little bit of explaining on these. These are actually rescued books that I've turned into lovely, beautiful journals with beautiful pages in the inside. Now, for each of these, you'll get one unique journal, and each one has 25 of the original pages in, and they're all illustrated pages, and you'll also get some ephemera to go with that. It has some aged papers, and then it has plenty of space where you can be creative and be inspired to write your own thoughts inside. So I'm going to let you kind of look through these without me talking too much about them, and I'll just give you some of the features as we go along. Again, each journal has been rescued. They were going to be thrown away, and I decided to pick them up and do something useful with them. And no, this book I did not write my name in. It just happened to come to me, and it had the name Elizabeth inside of it. When you open them, they lay flat, so you don't have to worry about any bumps or anything when you're actually writing inside of the book. Each one has a lovely poem in the front that I handpicked for each journal, and they're all handcrafted with love. I call this collection of journals I Want to Live collection. And that's because every book should have a second life. Books are so precious to us. I think that we can keep them going by having journals just like these. Again, you can find these journals over at pleasantcreations.com. I've also included some envelopes with some special selected ephemera so that you can kind of put some special pretty pieces all throughout your journal. They all have lovely illustrated pages from the original books. All of them are vintage books. You can get more details for each book within the listings themselves over in the Etsy shop. Again, that's pleasantcreations.com. If you're not looking for a book for yourself, you can actually give these as lovely gifts as well. You can write your vision, your goals, your love letters to yourself, anything you want. Just let this book inspire your imagination. All links to the listings will be below in the description. That these are limited editions. They're unique, and there's only one of each book, so they'll be up while supplies last. Aren't the images fun to watch? And the papers are so lovely. Again, I made these books with love. So with that, I'm going to leave you, but please make sure that you go over to the shop at pleasantcreations.com to check out the new I Want to Live collection of journals. Love, peace, and hair grease. From your sweet lotus blossom and lovable Lizzie, have a fantabulous day and enjoy life.